Tamron is proud to present Birds of Prey, featuring the Tamron 150-500 f5 to 6.7 Di3VC VXD. Today we join professional photographer Ken Hubbard as he takes the 150-500 in the field to capture images of these magnificent creatures, taking advantage of its super sharp optical design and using features such as vibration compensation while panning to capture birds in flight, combined with VXD autofocus motor for high-speed focusing. The lens is also equipped with moisture-resistant construction for excellent durability. At 150 millimeters, the lens has a minimum focusing distance of 0.6 meters, making it not only close focusing, but a very compact ultra-telephoto zoom lens, giving you the freedom to handhold spectacular long lens shots. The lens incorporates exclusive features such as the Tamron rubber grip lens hood, ultra-fast VXD autofocus, excellent close-up shooting capabilities, amazing high image quality, and vibration compensation. The Tamron 150-500 for Sony FE mount.